Hi, I'm Evo Dan, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you about some terrain object modules within the Armor editor. So the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to show you edit terrain object. So what you can do is you can click on this and you can drag it on a building or on a tree or anything really. So I'm going to just drag it onto this building here. As you can see now, it has popped up a number here, a door number 2 and a door number 1. Now if I double click on this editor module, I can change the state of the building. So I can set this one to locked, and I can set this one to open by double clicking it. I can also disable control damage as well if needed to, or I can hide it, or I can destroy it from the off. This one I'll show you, and even in the editor it shows you change. So as you can see, this first door down here is locked. This second door is now opened. So if I spawn in, I will show you what this does. I'll show you that this is indeed locked for me. So see, this was door number 1. And I can't open it, it just goes like this. Even if I shoot the door a bit, it's locked. But if I go upstairs, look, it's open. So, I can close the door, I can open it normally. All that good stuff, but even from the inside, I can't. So there you go. So back to the editor now. That is module 1. The next thing you might want to do is, let's say you want to use this base here. This is Camp Maxwell. You can see on the map. I want to maybe get rid of these trees here. They're a bit, in the way. We can do hide terrain objects. So since I placed that down, see, hides the tree. As you can see, like that. So let's change this so I can change the transformation here. Let's say I make that 15. Now, hidden all these trees. So now I go back in, like so. It's in. I've got a nice open area. I could put spawn things in here. I'll just show you again. So I can place, let's say, an ammo crate in here. So we'll go ammo. Place the basic weapons down here. And all the trees are hidden, but not the ammo box. Very handy if you want to build a base in the middle of the woods or something like that. Or like in this case, I just wanted to clear a load of the trees out. You can also just do this manually, so you can edit time like this. This is snap to the tree, it'll snap to the nearest object like so. I can just go and see this tree here. Note the tree next to the container. Oh, been hidden. Sometimes this does not work. Sometimes, as you can tell, I managed to click the wrong tree here. So that other tree had disappeared. Like so. So, as you can see, as I move it around, so although I thought it wasn't working, it does work like this. Okay, and the next one I want to show you, or just to wrap up this tutorial, is you can change the weather. So here's the weather module. What you can do is you can change the different settings, like so. So let's say I've got a nice day and I want to change it. I can set this to 1, rain. So I set the fog to 0.5. Now this will do it straight away because I haven't synchronized it up to anything. As you can see, the fog's rolled in. Got a reasonable amount of fog. It's raining. What I'll do is I will show you out to sea so you can see how far it is. Now I'm just going to show you a nice little trick. You do Shift left click, Alt left click, and Alt F click, will teleport you around the map. As you can see, it's quite foggy. Right, back to the editor. Now I can do this on a trigger, so if I place a trigger now, change the activation to radio alpha, and then I will sync to this module. Now, this will be a nice clear day. Yep, nice and clear. 001, which is radio alpha, and it straight away rains because I haven't put a timer on it. If I was to put a timer on it, it would change over time. This could be quite useful in the middle of a mission, change things like that. You can also, there's a similar module to skip time. So you can skip a number of hours. So I'll put 10 hours in here, so it'll go nighttime. I'm going to sync this up to radio alpha as well. So sync to. So then as soon as I click this 001, it becomes night and the weather changes. But you can use these, use a bit of imagination how you want to use it. Maybe you want to skip a little bit of time, maybe you don't. Maybe you want to change the weather over a certain time, doing different events. You could do this. You can change the trigger to whatever you want. Yeah, I think that wraps up today's tutorial. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. And as always, I'm going to upload this mission to the Steam Workshop so you can download it. Okay, thanks.